Yeah, when I'm saying I'm Jah Bami International Outer Nations now. My Youth Foundation Chameleon Group, August 20th, Reggae in the Redwood, Brooklyn to California. It's all good. Hey, them don't know God. No. Anyway. What is that? The praise my King is worthy to protect my life. I love Farai. Wake up very early angels bless our life, so we can see the sunrise. My King is worthy to protect my life. I love Farai. Wake up very early. How we go? New day. Tell them where me from, and them refuse me. Hail King Selassie, I and tell them move way. Royal to God, so God choose me. Sun got to shine, earth got to turn. The earliest bird catches the fattest worm. Slumbering nomadic wanderers, they gonna burn. Don't be a late for school, youth, you got to learn. Clean your mind and wait your time, about your turn. Clean your mind from above. You can conquer with love. The earth is the fullness thereof. Hail King Selassie, I first. My King is worthy to protect our life. I love Farai. Wake up very early angels bless our life, so we can see the sunrise. My King is worthy to protect our life. I love Farai. Wake up very early. 20, yeah. What was hidden from the wise and all the prudent, what revealed unto the babes and the suckling, the youths them. Speak the right and speak the truth to them. Don't pollute them, we speak the truth, yeah. All in our redwood, come and get the culture real good. Worthy to protect our life. We love Farai. Wake up very early angels bless our life, so we can see the sunrise. August 20th is gonna be so great. We want everybody state to state. Who the marijuana come full your plate. I know they can't wait. I know they can't wait. I know they can't wait. We're worthy. God is worthy. Yeah. Christ is worthy. I'm in Jah Bami till August 20th in the Redwood. I saw it go. Don't miss it. My Youth Foundation Chameleon Group, we speak the truth. So that's yeah. Good and great God, I mean say so. Anyway, my God is worthy to protect our life. Hail Farai. Are you mean, man?